Welcome to the FOTRIC V-MiX series AcouThermal camera unboxing video. In this video, we will show you the equipment and accessories included in the camera kit, along with demonstrations of how to use each item. First, open the hard carrying case, and you'll find a soft carrying bag inside. Next, unzip the soft bag to reveal the acoustic and thermal imaging camera and all its accessories. Now, let's take a look at how to use these accessories. By connecting the adapter plug to the power adapter, you can use this to power the camera directly, or pair it with the charging dock to charge two batteries simultaneously. A USB-C data cable is included for data transfer. An HDMI cable allows you to mirror the display for easier sharing and analysis. If you prefer left-handed operation, you can attach the wrist strap to the left side of the camera for a more comfortable user experience. The shoulder strap for the soft bag is stored in the front pocket. Simply take it out and clip both ends to the rings on each side of the bag. You're ready to go. Thank you for watching the FOTRIC V-MiX series AcouThermal camera unboxing video. Now press the power button and start your first test.